You work hard, you show up every day, you save what you can, but somehow your money just doesn't seem to be working as hard as you do. We chase what's rising, panic when it falls, and convince ourselves we'll get it back later. If you've ever felt the same frustration, the panic, the doubt, the voice in your head that's saying, just this once. The smarter you are, the harder investing often feels. What you actually need isn't another hot tip. You need a framework. This is Ālchemē Wealth, and your transformation starts today. You work hard. You show up every day, you save what you can, but somehow your money just doesn't seem to be working as hard as you do. Maybe you bought a few stocks, dabbled here and there, followed that unbelievable tip from a mate who almost bought Tesla early on. And still, nothing quite works out how you planned. Most people were never taught how to build wealth. We're told to work, to save, maybe buy a car, buy a house, but not how to make money work for us. We rely on guesswork, trends, social media advice, and then wonder why it all feels like we're running around in circles. But here's what I've learned after years in business and finance. The difference between people who grow wealth and those who chase it isn't luck. It's mindset, it's strategy, and it's structure. And that's exactly what we're going to unpack in this new Ālchemē Wealth Series, starting with mindset mastery. The way you think about money determines whether you grow it or whether it disappears. So grab a coffee, settle in. This one might just change how you see money forever. According to a study by Delvar, the average investor underperforms the S&P 500 by almost 4% a year. Not because of bad products, but because of bad behavior. We chase what's rising, panic when it falls, and convince ourselves we'll get it back later. Sound familiar? I've worked in finance for over 20 years. I'm a chartered accountant by training. I've built financial models, negotiated multi-million pound SaaS deals, and advised banks across Africa and the UK. But here's the truth. With all that experience, I've still made emotional decisions with my money. I remember staring at my portfolio a couple of years before COVID, watching the red numbers bleed across the screens, thinking, maybe I should sell now and buy back when it stabilizes. Classic rookie mistake. Because markets recover, emotions don't always. So if you've ever felt the same frustration, the panic, the doubt, the voice in your head that's saying, just this once, welcome to the club. You're not alone. You're definitely not broken. The good news, the same behavior that holds you back can be retrained. And that's exactly what mindset mastery is all about. Rewiring how you think about money. So your emotions stop managing your investments and you start managing your future. So why do smart people struggle with wealth? Here's the paradox. The smarter you are, the harder investing often feels. Smart people tend to overanalyze. We want every number to add up, every outcome to make absolute sense. We think we can outlogic emotion, spreadsheet our way to certainty, but money doesn't work that way. Money isn't just maths, it's psychology, it's discipline, it's time, and how well we use it. A Harvard study on behavioral finance found that over 80% of retail investors' decisions are driven by pure emotion, not data. And the markets, they don't reward emotion. They punish it really harshly. That's where Ālchemē Wealth comes in. We exist to bridge that painful gap between knowing and doing, to teach the mindset, structure, and the habits that turn information into action and speculation into strategy. Because let's be honest, the world doesn't need more financial advice. It needs better filters and maybe a calm voice reminding you that your emotions don't get to drive your portfolio. So let's delve into the real reason your money isn't growing for you. When I looked back at every financial breakthrough I've had, whether it was launching a business, building my portfolio, or helping clients, one pattern stood out consistently. Clarity beats complexity every single time. Most people don't fail because they picked the wrong stock. They fail because they don't know why they picked it in the first place or how it fits into the bigger picture. So they jump from one idea to the next, scrolling, hoping, reacting like they're chasing a moving target. And honestly, that's just plainly exhausting. What you actually need isn't another hot tip or another app. You need a framework, something that simplifies the chaos. It grounds your decision and builds confidence step by step. That's why I created Ālchemē Wealth Investing Readiness Assessment, a 5-minute self-check designed to show you exactly where you stand and how ready you are to grow wealth confidently. It breaks your investing journey into 4 key areas. Mindset. How you think about money is crucial. Strategy and execution. How you act on it is just as important. Learning and development. How you expand your knowledge. Community and support. Who you grow with. Wealth doesn't grow in isolation. It grows from alignment. When your mindset, your strategy, your learning, and your community all move in the same direction, momentum builds naturally. And that's where transformation begins. Not from luck or timing, from structure and self-awareness. So let me tell you something about the personal shift that you can experience. When I started applying those 4 areas to my own life, everything shifted. I stopped chasing the next big thing. I stopped confusing movement with progress. Instead, I built a clear plan with rules, reflection, and a calm mind guiding every decision. And then something powerful happened. Consistency started compounding, faster than excitement ever did. Because the truth is, markets reward patience, not panic. That's the shift I want for you. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich quietly through structure, clarity, and self-mastery. And that's what real wealth looks like. Control, confidence, and peace of mind. In the next episode, we'll talk about something most professionals never admit. Why smart people stay broke longer than they should. It's not busyness, it's identity. When you see yourself as an earner and not an investor, your money behaves in exactly the same way. We'll unpack how to shift that in episode 2. And I promise it's going to change how you see wealth entirely. Right now, Ālchemē Wealth is in pre-launch and we're building something really special, really powerful. Not another noisy finance platform, but a calm ecosystem for modern investors who want to actually build wealth and not chase it. Here's what's coming. A private community where people share real-life insights and grow together. Weekly stock sheets that cut through the noise and help you see opportunity with clarity. Courses and challenges designed to build habits, not hype. And it all starts with one thing, the Investing Readiness Assessment. I'm inviting the first 100 people to get early access for free. You'll receive a personalized report, early invites to the exclusive webinars, and first access to everything new we roll out. After that, it becomes members only. So this is your early window to get in before the doors close. If you've ever wanted to understand your money like a pro without becoming one, this is your moment. Don't wait. Start with clarity and start with Ālchemē Wealth. So make sure you hit subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And while you wait, take 2 minutes right now to sign up for early access below. I'm Ravi. This is Ālchemē Wealth, and your transformation starts today.